Hello everyone. This video will be concerning about how to journal. We all must have went through some traumas, ups and downs in our lives, but none of us know the right way to deal with them. Also, even if we know, we don't try to indulge in them. When we were small, we tried to indulge in some activities like writing the diary whenever we felt upset or whenever we felt to pour our heart out upon the things which we have went through throughout the day or throughout this part of our life. But as we tend to grow up, we become adults, we try to leave all of them. However, journal is something which acts just like a diary. We can keep a whole of our records, we can keep our thoughts, our feelings, each and everything into them. We can pour them all into the paper or wherever you wish, into the paper or wherever we wish to pour our hearts out and then keep us all refreshed. When talking about journaling, there are a lot of ways in which it can benefit us, and we can take various advantages of it by writing them on. The first and foremost thing whenever starting with a journal is you need not have a particular paper journal. You can even do that in your desktop, phone, or wherever you find yourself comfortable with. For instance, whenever people try to write down something on a piece of paper, they can keep all of their feelings and all of the things which through which they have went through into the piece of paper. However, you can even do so in a whenever working with your desktop. You can pour all of your feelings into it and then you can feel amazed. However, journals are of a lot of types. Gratitude journal is the best out of them because that helps us to understand what all we go through and what all we have achieved in life, what all we have been gifted by God are the things we must be grateful for. Gratitude journaling helps us towards getting a particular goal and desire out of the blue, and also we can attempt a lot of prompts by downloading a particular app in our phone or writing down in the desktop. Also, you need not do journaling the first thing in the morning. You can even do so before going into the bed or whenever you find yourself comfortable with in the entire day. However, the best thing is that just after waking up or just before going to bed is the best time to do journaling. That's because these are the times when your mind is at its highest peak to engage in different kinds of thoughts and put them all down, and they all surround your head throughout the day. So meditating is also one kind of journaling wherein we try to get rid of all of the negativity within us and try to engage ourselves in the positive.